Hey guys, welcome to our channel Tactics World. I'm Atish Ranjan and today I'm going to talk about creating a business email address in cPanel. Before that, let me tell you what is a business email address and why should we have it. So business email address is like other email addresses, but it has your website at the end. For example, atish at tacticsworld.com is my business email address, where tacticsworld.com is my website. Atish is my name, and you can have the same for your website. If you have a website, say example.com, then you can have info at the rate example.com or your name at the rate example.com, etc. So this is what you call a business email address. Why should we have it? Simple, because it is professional, it looks professional, and it looks more legit when you email a client. When you email a client for pitching an idea or something else, then emailing with your business email address looks more professional and more legit, and it puts a better impact on your client as well. So for business communications, it is very important to email with your business email address. Okay, so that is why it is very important to have a business email address with you. And if you are a cPanel user, this video is going to be very helpful for you, because I'm going to show you how you can create a business email address in cPanel. So let's check it out. To create a business email address in cPanel, first of all, you have to log into cPanel, and then you have to find out the email option. Okay, so after you enter the credentials and log into your cPanel, then you will see this page where there are so many options and information about your hosting server. Here you have to find the email options. So here are the email options. So many options are there. Since we have to create the new email address, click on email accounts. On this page, you will see the existing email addresses that are already created in this hosting server, hosting account. And if you want to create a new one, then click on create. Now you have to select the options. The first option is domain. You have to select the domain if you have multiple domains in your hosting. For example, if I have to create admin@gmail.com, then I have to select the gmail.com domain. If I have to create admin@beingtricks.com, then I have to select the domain beingtricks. So that is why you have to select the domain name first. So I'm keeping this gmail.com only, and in the username I'm keeping admin. Okay, now the next option is to set the password. So I'm selecting my password, creating my password. Okay, that is done. Now if you want to restrict the mailbox to some certain space, then you can do that, like 250 MB or 1 GB or something like that. Or if you don't want to restrict the mailbox, then check this option, unlimited. Then just leave these options as they are and click on create. Okay, so the admin@gmail.com is created, as you can see in the list of email addresses. If you want to check the email, click on check email, and on the next page you will see the option to choose webmail client. There are two shown here, round cube and horde, and you have to select one webmail client to check your email inbox. So I'm choosing the round cube and click on open. Now you will be in your inbox. Okay, so this is the first email, welcome email from the server, that has the manual settings that you can use to configure your email address into Outlook or some other tools to check your email. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates in your mailbox. And If you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please write down in the comments and I will respond you back very soon. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.